Hey guys, with the Galaxy S9 launch out of the way, we are now seeing a browser benchmark with the first Galaxy Note 9 features as Samsung now shifts its attention to prepare its next flagship smartphone for launch in the second half of this year. The Galaxy Note 9 has been spotted on a browser benchmark website where it has been revealed a couple of features that you have already expected to see on the next generation phablet. A handset featuring model number SM9N960U has been spotted. You donate that this is a US-bound model which will likely be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor instead of Samsung's Exynos 9810 chipset. The first Galaxy Note 9 features revealed by this benchmark include the 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio in-print display and Android Oreo. You would have already expected the handset to feature an in-print display given that Samsung has stuck with it for the Galaxy S9 as well. While the Galaxy S8 shipped with Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box, the Galaxy Note 8 came with Android 7.1. Even though the browser benchmark shows that the device was tested with Android 8.0 audio on board, it's likely that when the Galaxy Note 9 ships in the second half of this year, it will be running Android 8.1. No further information is available right now about the Galaxy Note 9 features and specs. However, we can expect this handset to feature an upgraded internals and camera improvements. The super slow-mo video feature that Samsung has introduced with the Galaxy S9 will likely make its way to the Galaxy Note 9 as well. This is just the start though, and we'll surely hear a lot more about the Galaxy Note 9 feature in reports, rumors and leaks in the coming months. As far as the Galaxy Note 9 release is concerned, it's likely that we'll soon hear rumors about Samsung releasing the Galaxy Note 9 ahead of schedule. Such rumors pop up every year for the new Galaxy S and Galaxy Note flagships, so take them with a grain of salt. As it stands, it's highly unlikely that the Galaxy Note 9 will hit the market before the second half of this year. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for the upcoming daily tech videos and give me follow on Twitter where I'm most active, and yeah, see you soon.